Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate media buying with MediaMath step by step clearly. First, navigate to the MediaMath website and log into your account. Locate the Campaigns tab on the dashboard. Click on Create New Campaign to initiate your automation process. Select the campaign type that suits your media buying objectives. Name your campaign for easy identification later. Define your campaign's start and end dates. Set your campaign budget and bidding strategy based on your goals. Next, move to the targeting section. Choose your audience segments utilizing the available data points. Decide on geographical targeting to refine where your ads will appear. In the creative section, upload or select the media assets you wish to use. Ensure that the creative formats are compatible with your chosen placements. Configure the settings for your ad placements, including formats and platforms. Now, set your frequency caps to control how often your ads will be shown to users. Proceed to the Automated Rules section to implement automation strategies. Create rules based on performance metrics, such as ROI or engagement rates. Set triggers to pause, activate, or adjust bids automatically based on the established metrics. Review all the configurations you made to ensure everything aligns with your campaign goals. Once satisfied, click on the Launch Campaign button to set your automation in motion. Monitor your campaign's performance in real time through the dashboard. Adjust the automated rules as necessary based on the evolving campaign data. Leverage insights from the campaign to refine future media buying strategies. Finally, document your findings to enhance your automation techniques moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.